Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Tam Predicts, and today is 11/11. It's a great day. I call it a wish day. This is a great wish number. 11/11 also means your psychic abilities are really strong, and your intuition is really strong. The inner voice that you're getting, you should follow that. Whatever intuitions that you're getting as a guidance for today, you should follow that. Uh, I'm here to do a lot of messages for 11/11. Whatever your wishes can come true, or whatever is the area that you should be addressing today. Also, if you want to make a wish, remember that take a bay leaf. You all know a bay leaf. Write what you want on it, not more than three or four words. Don't write negative things. Don't write, I am not happy, I want a better life, or something like this. Write everything positive in it, whatever you want from your life. If you want to reduce your weight, you can write the weight you want to achieve. If you want an X amount of money, you can write that on the bay leaf. Burn the bay leaf and blow it out of your main door, or you can from your balcony, or from your window, and ask for your wish. And when you're asking for your wish, just say, so mote it be. Do it today before it changes to the date changes to 12/11. I want you to wish for something, and it's a powerful day. Let's see what are the messages for today, especially for 11/11. I am doing messages for today. This one almost jumped out of my hand, and this belongs in the reading. So today's karma releasing. If you've been wanting to free, if you want to get free of any burden, anything that's burdening you, anything you didn't do right in life, and you think you were unfair to someone, or you were unjust to with someone, and you didn't act fairly, probably in a relationship, love, or job, anything. I think it's a time to release your bad karmas today and wish for happiness. Let me see what. Okay, I got the number three. I don't know why I was thinking of the number three. Three is a very powerful number for me, and I really believe in it. And three has come out, so three is a good number. If you're writing a wish, you can also take a plain paper, plain white paper. You can write what you want, and you can write the number three, or you can take a plain paper, what you want from your life, or whatever is your wish. I want you to write it three times, fold it three times towards you, and keep it in your wallet or under your pillow, and your wish will be fulfilled. So three is the number. The good colors today are, you can wear a red or you can wear a green. Let me see if there are any other charms that I can get for you, or tell you what is important today. I don't know, but I want to pick up a certain charm for you. I'm not going to just pick it up like blindly, but I want to pick up a charm. It should mean something. I want to pick up a fish today. I don't know why. This is especially for Pisceans and for water signs. This could be maybe that's why I picked this up. But I picked up a fish. Um, I want you to feel comfortable wherever you are, like a fish is comfortable in water where it lives. I want to say wherever you are is a great home. Wherever you are is a great family. Probably your job is great. That's another thing that I'm getting for today. So today is your karma releasing day. Whatever you want to let go of, any burdens that are troubling you, today is the day to let go of it. Let's see what are the other messages, especially for 11/11. Yes, forgiveness. There is forgiveness today. That's why I'm getting karma. That's why when I started the reading, I said karma could be anything. You could be believing in karma. But what I felt was that if you've not been good with someone, today is the time to forgive the person, and really make that wish that, probably the other person forgives you. Maybe you don't feel nice that the other person is holding a grudge against you, or something similar to that. I really want you to forgive, okay, and move on. That's a big message for you guys. Maybe that's why I wanted to do this reading quickly. And I was not actually wanting to do a reading today, but yes, I really thought that there are messages. Yes, there has to be an open communication. Somebody's closed. You are not communicating with the person. Probably you said something bad to the person. The person is feeling bad. You've not forgiven the person. There needs to be communication between you two. Also, Mercury. I want to say for Gemini's, it's a really good time to manifest today. Whatever you want from life, or whatever you really want to wish for, will happen. Let me see. I want to take out one more card. You need to open your communication channel with someone today. If you've not called a friend, if you've not called a lover, I think you need to call the person, either ask for forgiveness, or whatever is burdening you. Like I said, you need to let go of it. See, expect miracles today. You're going to expect miracles, the right cards to come out totally. So this is what the reading is all about. This is expect miracles. And I said today is 11/11, so whatever you want to wish for, please wish for it, okay guys, because you're going to get what you've been wanting to have in your life, or what you think needs to come into your life towards you. So today is a beautiful day. I'm also looking for my other card, so I'm going to take that out. I'm going to use the unicorn cards today, and see what are the messages from the unicorns to you. Is it about, sorry, is it about another wish fulfillment, or its dream coming true? I want to just clarify what all cards, or what is the situation, because I get a lot of forgiveness here. I get a lot of open communication, and this card really jumped out of my hand, and it is the Christ, and twice the Christ has come. So guys, your manifestation power is really high today. Open the door to the kingdom of heaven. Whatever you will ask from God, you shall get today. That's what I feel. And this is a beautiful reading, because I've got Christ twice here. I've got Christ, and it says Master Jesus. So just wish for whatever you want, and forgive someone, and rise above the ordinary, because this is also raising your vibration. If you see the card carefully, I get, you raising your vibration, and spiritually also, you growing, you expanding. And if you're listening to this reading, this is for you. Be honest. So you were not honest with someone, so that's where the forgiveness comes. You were not honest. You need to be honest with the person. You need to open up your communication. Let's see what is expect miracles here. What miracles are you expecting? Or there is another card. Yes, you'll be moving. If you've been stuck somewhere, in a situation, in a job, in a place, in a love situation, you will be moving to a better place, is what I get. That's another message. So guys, you need to pack up your bags, and you need to move. See, it says physically or spiritually. Like I said, you're raising your vibration, so you are moving. This card says surprise. So expect miracles, exactly where I've kept it. Expect miracles. There's going to be a surprise for you. So today you have to make a wish, guys. Today is 11/11. Just make a wish. Use a bay leaf. Use a paper. Write what you want. Write it 3 times. When you write it 3 times, it becomes more powerful. You're raising the vibration of your wish, or you're making it totally powerful. Your intuition is very high, guys. Sorry, I told you today is a day of intuition, and whatever you will ask from God, or any divine power, or any power that you believe in, will happen. Just today, leave everything that you're doing, and I want you to take time and listen to your inner voice, your inner wisdom, and make a wish. The unicorn is totally next to you. If you want riches, if you want wealth, or if you've been short of money, if you don't have much money, I think there's a surprise on its way. You'll get some money. That's another thing that I get. Let your dreams take flight, okay? If you've been wanting to do something, this is the time to just put that project, make that project happen. Put it into rolling, make it move, that project, that will materialize. That's another word that I get. Let's see what's another card for you. Feather. You're going to see a feather. That day I was doing a reading, personal reading with someone, and I was like, I feel you will see a feather very soon. And the person I was doing a reading with suddenly realized that she was actually writing in a diary which had 3 feathers stuck in it, 3 different color feathers. So I said, of course, that's why I was picking up feathers. So you're going to see a feather. You will around you when you're listening to my reading. After that, you will actually see a feather, suddenly, either on the path, or either probably you'll see that you have a feather pillow, or something like that. But make a wish that time also, okay? That's what I get. I also want you to take a white sheet, draw a feather, write your wish in the feather, and just keep it under your pillow for today. So take a white sheet, draw a big feather like this, write your wish, and just keep it. I feel your wish will be fulfilled. That's another message that I get, and that's the kind of visual that I got. You will achieve balance today. If anything has been out of balance, you will achieve balance today. I'm just going to move it a little higher so you can see it properly. I feel someone who's really balanced in your life is going to be in balance. If something you were falling short of something, you will get that in life. If you were there was less of money or anything, less of love, I think you're going to get that in life too. So today is a brilliant day, guys. You will have all the strength. Wow, there are beautiful cards. I also got door to spirit because it fell out of my hand. So your guiding angels are around you. So wish for whatever you want. People who've passed away and sometimes are our guiding angels and are around us. So they know what you want. So just ask them for what you want, and they will fulfill your wish. Stay clear of hostilities. I don't know why this card is here. Maybe it came here because you need to release your karma. Maybe you fought with someone. So I'm not going to take it in a negative way. You fought with someone. You need to release that, or you need to ease that tension, between you and the other person. That's why all these problems happen, and that's where you are feeling bad and you're feeling lonely. You actually want to. You actually want to mend the situation, which is more beautiful. You did something wrong. This is about you. Whoever is listening to this, maybe one person, two people who are who understand that this situation is for them, or this is what they went through. I feel you really feeling bad, and you want to rectify the whole thing. You want to mend the relationship. You're feeling lonely. You feel sad that you did what you did. I don't know what it could be, in a job or in a love relationship. You've been bad to someone and you want to correct that situation. In the end, there is happy family. So if you had a wish, I don't know why I want to say this, if you really wanted a baby and were not being able to conceive, and if you think you want, when you're listening to this reading and you really feel like writing something, or you're really envisioning a happy family, I want you to wish for a child, because your wish will be fulfilled. That's another message that I get. If you were away from your family, you'll be back with your family. If your family ties are not good or something went wrong, I think family ties will be much stronger. That's what I feel. Let's see what are the other messages. uh I'm just wondering if I want to use another deck. That's what I was feeling. So I've got my earth magic deck out. Let's see what are the messages there. So guys, really wish, and your wishes will all be fulfilled. Stay grounded today, okay? Whatever you imagine for the for the best. Don't wish for anything negative for anybody, or don't wish bad for someone. Just stay grounded in your life. That's another message. So if you wanted to wish for a new life, you will get a new life, totally transforming your life, or anything that you wanted to transform in your life and you were feeling stuck and bored in the routine. I think there will be a rebirth. There'll be a transformation. I get a lot of earth sign also. This is a lot for the earth sign also. I feel the air sign has done something wrong to someone. That's the message that I get. Even the fire sign, a new beginning for you. There'll be a lot of passion in your relationship. That's the message that I get. For water signs, let's see. Water signs want to live a simple life. Back to the basics. That's the message that I get. Water signs want to live a simple life right now. They don't want. Um, they're not very attracted to wealth. I think they want peace of mind. That's another message. I think all of you want harmony in your relationships, and balance will be restored. If something was out of balance, like I got the balance card, things will be balanced. Don't worry about it, guys. That's a beautiful reading. Let's see one more card. Yes, unfoldment. This is same as the rebirth. So something beautiful, a new story is unfolding in front of you. That's what I get. And I think you really like Lotus. You follow Buddhism. That's another message that I get. Or you started getting interested in Buddhism, or because I got karma, and it's all about unfolding the right, following the right path. I also feel that you just got interested in Buddhism, or probably you've been reading about it. That's I also hear bells. I don't know why, but I also hear bells. I don't know if you have a bell at home, you bought a bell or something like that. Just focus, okay? This is intuition, this is focus. Amethyst is good if you want to raise your vibrations. Remember that, guys. Amethyst is a good stone for you guys. I want to do one more card, because I think the reading hasn't finished right now. I need to do one more card. I get a lot of number 4 today. I don't know if you're number 4, you're born in the 4th month of the year, but Jan, Feb, March, April born. April born will benefit from this manifestation a lot, is what I get. There is divine healing. If you've not been feeling well, I feel from tomorrow or day after, you'll start feeling much better. That's what I feel. especially if it's around your chest area or your head area. Okay, that's another message that I psychic insight. Your psychic abilities are really high. So 1111, please, today is the best day. Your third eye is open. Okay, follow your intuition. It's saying that again and again. The right cards are coming out. I'm feeling so great. Yeah, I'm feeling really nice. Lady Venus is here, so love is going to be great. There's going to be a lot of talk between because it was open communication. The card that I'd taken out previously. I think a lot of communication will happen between you and your loved one. There'll be exchange of words and a lot of loving words. I get. That's really nice. I guess especially if you're a water sign, this will happen. And last card, divine order. Do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. So a lot of same words I'm getting: unfold, unfolding, divine order, raising your vibration, healing, harmony, changing yourself, transformation, getting grounded, being balanced. If anything is out of balance, will be balanced pretty soon. So these were the messages, especially for 1111. I hope you enjoyed the reading, and I'll be back with another reading. Take care. Please do wish today, and that will be fulfilled. That's what I want to say. 1111 is a great day today, and do wish for something great, and maybe for yourself or somebody else or whatever. Your power is really good today. Intuition power is really good. Before you do your wishing bit or whatever, whichever way you want to wish, use a bay leaf or whatever, water or probably plain paper, or otherwise in your mind you want to really wish for something. I want to say meditate for a while, calm your mind, and then do the then wish for something, and set it out in the universe, and it will be fulfilled. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I'll be back again with another reading. Bye guys, thank you.